Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and log into Claude.ai. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Claude website if you have not already. So to do that, you're just going to open up your internet browser, and in the URL bar, you're going to search for Claude.ai. This is the official website. Click enter and it's going to open up this main page. This is going to be the home page from where we can get started using the platform. And if you're not already logged in, you are going to be greeted by this prompt right here, where you can either continue with your email address if you have already created an account, just input your email address, and it's going to enable you to input your password as well. If you do not have an account, also enter in your email and click continue, and it's going to enable you to create one by inputting your password. If you want, you can also continue with Google. By clicking continue with Google, it's going to enable you to go and select which platform account you want to use. So just by clicking this, it's going to open up a new list, and I'm about to do that. And as you can see now, I am logged in. I'm greeted by this account page where, as you can see, I have currently no account, so I'm going to create one. And this is what we have to review. We have to go and agree to this, and then we can continue. So by clicking continue, it's going to take us to the news page where we can go and select the plan we want to use. Let's say the free plan, and this is going to then go ahead and give us the tutorial on how to get started with using it. Click the got it button, and you can get started by entering your name, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.